Hey, what's up? Matic One Gaming here. I had to come back. In the season, Cowboys franchise, season one. Well, I think this is week 9. This is week 9, I believe. Had to come back. It's not even the next day. I just cannot deal with the losing streak. I just can't. All right, so here we go. Let's get into it.
Playing well today. Make each play count, and if you do that, it's going to give you a great chance of winning.
I'm sure it will.
Steps out of bounds. Here's the former first pick now. Michael Vick taking the field for his first series today. First down coming up, and the give now to DeMarco Murray.
Well, I know it's a short run that time by the offense, but it's what it's going to do for you long term. Keep
Second down coming up. Action fake. The quarterback throws to the right. They've got a first down now after that catch. DeMarco Murray gets the handoff. That's a gain of 6. Here's the offensive line. And for this team, they are the lifeblood of the offense. When they're blocking well, this team can do some serious
Come on, fellas. We gotta start to get back on the winning trail, man. This is getting crazy.
And now they'll try over again on second down. Murray. The tackle's going to be made, but he's beyond the first down marker.
to put some weights in their pockets. You got to hang in there and make the tackle.
Michael Vick will be under center. Now 1st and 10. He'll stay on the ground on first down.
Relentless, everything you want in a pass rusher.
They went with the ground game on first down, bringing up second.
Play action.
Scanning the field, and he's thrown to the ground.
Somebody's open.
Coordinators just got to make some adjustments here. They can't stop the defensive line from sacking the quarterback, so either keep the tight end in or keep the halfback in to help block for the QB.
Third down coming up. They're hoping to do a better job converting today than they did last week. Pass is made, and it's incomplete. The hit jars the ball out.
Wow.
Defensive coordinators love this situation, don't they? 3rd and long, they can do just about anything.
Okay.
And they stop the offense that time.
They'll take it at the 20. Once a draft pick in Major League Baseball and a long-time backup to Tom Brady, here is quarterback Matt Castle. Now on first down. Peterson's going to take the handoff now. Tackled down at the 28-yard line.
Oh, Peterson's healthy too. Oh, shit.
This offense will be Cordero Patterson.
This is going to be
Patterson's
rough.
so fast, so strong, he can make dynamic plays. What they got to do today for the Minnesota Vikings offense, find ways to get the football to Patterson.
And today's starting lineups have been brought to you by Papa John's Pizza. Better ingredients, better pizza, Papa John's.
There he goes.
The tackle, but still.
He's a load, yo. He's a straight beast.
Nothing fancy about that, but it's a good run. Gets
Yo,
the
he's
first
dope.
down. Now the offense has 3 more chances.
Okay. And we got to stop him today.
Use set of downs now after picking up the first on the ground. Heading right. Taking a look at the linebackers. They're young, They're unheralded, but they do know how to
Yo,
make
he's
plays.
getting like 3-4 yards of carry so far. Damn.
Simpson's a receiver in the slot. Takes the snap from the shotgun. The quarterback throws the pass, and it's incomplete. Just couldn't hold on to it after the hit.
That's interesting. As you watch the receiver trying to make that catch, he knew the defender was close, so he didn't put all of his heart into it. The defender made a nice hit and knocks the football out to the ground.
Simpson's lined up in the slot. 3rd and 6.
There's no
Hughes in the
pass.
2 hands.
Damn it.
That's a nice route on the outside. Nice throw by the quarterback. Puts him in good position to keep moving and get a first down.
Damn it.
That reception gave them the first down. Peterson's taking the handoff. Right side.
Damn. Dude just did not want to go down. Peterson's just...
Simpson's in the slot. They send the tight end in motion. 2nd down and 10. Looking to the right side and throwing. The offense heads to the line for the 7th play of the drive.
What's going on now? Come on.
1st and 10. They run the counter play. They've got him behind the line of scrimmage. 15 minutes down, 45 minutes to go. And we'll return after this message and a word from your local station. Simpson's lined up now as a slot receiver. And the 2nd quarter is underway with this snap. And it's right.
5-yard gain on the play. Well, it's a nice throw and catch by the quarterback and receiver.
Yeah, he got laid out for it, too.
A chance to pick up this 3rd down.
He got laid out. Wasn't for free, tell you that. Wasn't for free.
Adrian Peterson is in the backfield. Hassel's going to take it from the gun. Working that left side.
Dude, oh, okay, good.
Hit, knocked the ball out.
Hit knocked it loose, thank you.
That's why you like defenders who are good.
All right.
Tackles. Make those receivers worry about coming over the middle. They'll be careful the rest of this game.
They can make this,
because
though.
of that big hit.
It's like a... Yo.
The field goal try. Yes, sir.
There's nothing like being ahead in a football game, no matter how many points it is, because now you can manage it in a different way, even though it's early in this game, and you make the other team come after you.
And he's tackled just past the 20. We'll mark it at the 22-yard line. The Cowboys now coming to the line. Been a closely contested game so far. The score's 3-0. 1st and 10. Play action fake. Looking to throw. That reception picks up the first down.
When you talk about the play-action pass game, it's really when you call it. You got to be in a situation where the defense is thinking run, and when they
Bryant's going to get set in the slot for this snap. 1st down and 10. Vicks turning to look downfield now after selling the play fake, and they can't connect.
If you're a defensive back in the NFL now, you've got to be alert for deep passes down the field, because not only do you got to play it well, you got to make sure you don't have pass interference.
It's all right.
DeMarco Murray is in the backfield.
That is all right.
2nd and 10. trying to make something happen. He has the grab. Offense lines up here. 3rd down and 8.
I can't get any time. I can't get any time. This is killing me.
Because everybody's worried about getting hit as a quarterback.
They're giving me no time.
All the smart things they do, getting rid of the football fast, but they couldn't stop at that time. Big hit.
Signals right away. Fair catch.
Literally, this is, I don't know what's wrong with these cats.
And Jennings, a receiver in the slot. Now 1st and 10. Peterson.
Come on.
Right up the middle.
I know it's asking a lot to bring him to even deal with him, but y'all don't have a choice.
On the defense, they were ready for the run, nowhere for the running back to go, and they stopped him for a short gain.
Simpson's lined up in the slot. Tight end in motion. 2nd and 9.
Pressure, come on. Yes, yes, yes.
Well, you're on the offensive side, my gosh. You know they're going to blitz. So what do? You either pull the football really quick, or you have your tight end and running backs help pick up those blitzers so the quarterback has time to throw it.
Simpson's in the slot. Halfway through the 2nd, and here's the
Yes.
snap, and they sack the quarterback, and that's a quick series, a 3 and out.
Number 30 doing his thing.
Defensive side, it's all about
Boom.
disguise it to the last second and time
Boom.
to snap the football.
Nice.
They did it that time, and they get the sack on
Let's look at that again. Boom. That's for the commercial. That's the commercial type right there, yo.
That sack on 3rd down gets the defense off the field.
If we could just get some points. Damn it.
And they bring him down at the 38-yard line.
Sorry, we're going to get something out of this. I'll be damned if we don't.
What a place to start for the offense. 2-minute warning looms, and this may be the last play before it hits. Going for the home run. And
Shit.
they can't connect.
Good job by the linebacker that time. Saw the receiver coming in his area, read the quarterback, and then
What can I do? They're on everything. Come on.
DeMarco Murray is in the backfield. Michael Vick will take it from the gun.
There he is.
The defenders to the right side. Incompletion there. Just not
Damn
able
it.
to get the feet down.
Dude, you need to get your feet down. Look at the head on that mug, yo.
Here in the 2nd quarter.
That was an incomplete pass that time against cover 2.
Oh, my goodness.
You really want to throw the football down the middle or deep down the sidelines. That time the quarterback didn't do that, and that's why it was incomplete.
Vick standing back in the shotgun, ready for the snap. Looking for a receiver on the left side.
Oh, I have to be so careful when I do that.
Going in the other direction.
Nah, we need something out of this, bruh.
Receiver run a route like this.
I need to call something just simple.
Drive it, throw it on a line drive. So that
Right to the tight end. Just something right to the tight end. Something real simple. Just a simple ass play to the tight end to win. That's it.
Harris is lined up now as a slot receiver. Vick in shotgun formation. Jason with the grab.
Yes, that's all I needed. That's what I said. Something simple to win. Maybe that play will spark something.
He should have scored that time. Gets tackled
Yeah, he should have.
inside the 5-yard line. Now we'll see if the offense is good enough to push it in.
Oh, we are. Like, I'm not even messing around.
The offense.
You already know what time it is.
The promised land, so close by.
Yo, this be like our first touchdown in 2 games. Like actual touchdown, like offensive touchdown.
No margin for error.
The last 2 games, we have not had an offensive touchdown. Last game, it was a kick return. All right? In the game before that, against, I think it was Philly, we didn't even score.
That was an awful job, wasn't it, by the defense? I mean, it's first and goal. Well, you know it's going to be a run, or I think you should be playing run. The defense not ready. They get overpowered, and they give up the running touchdown.
All right.
The Cowboys kicking team.
First offensive touchdown. Our first offensive touchdown in 2 games.
They made sure to take advantage.
The game before this, like I said, was a kick return from Bryant. That was the only touchdown. And the game before that against Philly, we got shut out, 28-0. We didn't even score any points. So that was our first touchdown, offensive drive touchdown in 2 games. Sad.
The Vikings are ready to take over now, and their offense heads onto the field. It's first down as they head to the line. Tight ends in motion here. Castle's got it in the gun.
Yes, some pressure, finally.
Got to give the defense a lot of credit here. You want to stop the offense from scoring here with under 2 minutes to go in the first half. Good pressure on the quarterback, and they take him down behind the line of scrimmage.
Simpson's going to get set in the slot for this snap. Castle's going to take the snap from the shotgun. That ball.
Oh, yes.
Tackles made.
Anytime you're backed up on the offensive side, the quarterback's got to be extremely careful.
I'm not even celebrating that until we're in the end zone.
To your opponent. That time
When we're in the end zone, that's when I'll be celebrating.
interception.
Until then, negative. We got to be in the end zone. Then I'll celebrate that.
Under center. First and 10. Murray's going to secure the handoff.
I think you got to be a little more creative in the red zone than this. When you just line up and run the football like that, you're not going to get a lot of yards. And that time, they just got a short gain.
Second down now. Play action. He's scrambling down. He's looking to the. That's a touchdown.
There, I saw him. I just waited. I just waited for him to come back. I saw him. I was waiting for him. I was waiting for him.
What a tremendous throw by the quarterback that time for the touchdown. What confidence he has in that arm. Small window. Very little room to throw that.
I just kept going across, going across, going across. I was looking upfield. I saw Witten. Waited for him to come back.
The Cowboys.
And then I just threw the ball.
Back out in a moment. The offense making sure their efforts weren't wasted on the last drive, making good on the interception, and putting points on the scoreboard. He'll start his return.
Oh, snap.
Tackles made. The offense will start their drive.
Yo, this is getting crazy, son. Wow. That was a crazy animation right there. That's one for the highlight reels. Word up. Man, I think that was 84. He got lifted.
Down here. From the gun.
Yes. Defense.
Quarterback's got to know when it's inside of 2 minutes and that clock is moving, you want to get the football down the field and out of bounds. Holds on to the football too long, gets the sack, and that just kills the time management.
Here's the handoff to Adrian Peterson. That does it for the first half. Vikings trail in this one, which is brought to you by Verizon. We're back here now in this one, where the Cowboys lead by 11. A check to the sidelines with Danielle Bellini reporting.
I caught up with Matt Castle during halftime. Right now, his guys are trailing, but he told me he wasn't concerned at this point. He said, "We haven't played our best football, but that's okay because we can still finish strong and get this win." That's it from down here, guys. We'll just have to see how things play out. Back up to you.
Danielle, thank you very much. Now we'll go to the field. And that's a kick return of about 24 before being brought down. He's setting up here. He's been sacked 4 times already. What a beating it has been for the quarterback. He'll be taken down about 3 yards short of the first.
When you have defensive ends that like to go up the field and they think they're going to get to the quarterback, you know what you do to those kind of defensive ends? You run draw plays and screens underneath them. Take advantage of the fact that they're not reading their teams.
Offense lines up here. They send the tight end in motion. 2nd and 3. He'll get it out of the
I knew that.
Nice.
I knew that. I knew that. I knew that. It's all right.
When you're behind in the football,
first down here after the run. Back to the ground, up the middle. Brought down just 2 yards shy of the first down marker.
Damn.
And Jennings, a receiver in the slot.
Let's just keep him out the end zone.
Feed it to him again. He'll be brought down, but not before picking up the first down.
good job of the defensive line standing in there and fighting, and they hold the running back to a short gain.
Oh, Peterson's going to get it now. You already know. You already know he's going to get this.
Another carry here. The tackle was made, but
it's just inevitable with him.
That's an excellent job. Just get enough yardage to get the first down, move those chains, and keep this offense going.
Patterson's lined up in the slot. 1st and 10. Back to the ground now on first down.
Come up and lay the wood. Good, Lee. You better, man. I'm negotiating with you now, Sean Lee. You better make that tackle.
You run the football like this,
you better start doing more.
There is no doubt. When you fake it and try to throw the football down the field, the quarterback's going to have all day to get it done.
Simpson's in the slot. 2nd and 6.
Yes, yes, I'm cool. Yes, the defenses I'm calling on the ball right now.
They will bring the pressure. Good blitz that time. They take the quarterback down.
The Vikings come to the line. The first down marker is at the 24. Wright's lined up now.
Let's get another stop, man, so we can put the nail in the coffin.
Shotgun. He'll fire it out to the left. Add it for a
yes. No. Knocked out. You did not get that, buddy.
They put the offense in a tough situation.
You did not get that.
They stop it once again.
Miss.
The kick is good.
Okay. All right. Whatever.
This guy's a threat anytime you cross midfield. Really, he can kick it from 60 yards. Great leg strength. What a weapon to have on your side.
One more, fellas.
And the return ends after a run back of about 22. Michael Vick will be under center. First down and 10. Left side.
Hey, this defense, they are tough. When you run that football, they got some men up front. And that time they stopped that run just for a short gain.
2nd down here. Vick still got the football after the play fake. Looking for an open receiver on the right. Caught it.
Damn it.
Nice job by the quarterback. He gets quick pressure, able to get outside the pocket and keep this play alive.
The Cowboys will use a
Oh,
timeout
man.
early in the second half.
You got me all rattled now. Yeah, I haven't ran this play in a little while.
Bryant's going
Let's
to get
hope.
set in the slot for this snap. 3rd and 9. Play fake here. The quarterback throws to the right. Dez Bryant.
Yes, yes, yes. I didn't call that play a little
Need the
bit.
momentum on your side. You got a lead here in the second half. Nice play that time. You pick up the first down. Let's see if you can take advantage of it.
All right.
About to take the snap inside the 20. Let's see what they do on first down following that huge play. And here's a look at their red zone percentage to this point, which is brought to you by Verizon.
You get open and get open quick, otherwise I'm not throwing it to you. There he is. There he is.
Left side.
Well, defenses love it when they get you inside the 5-yard line because it's hard to deceive them. So they can just go after the offense and be aggressive.
That defensive front looks impenetrable here on the goal line.
The defense has got to be a little aggressive here. Your team is down. You've got to attack this offense. You don't want them to get in there and get another score.
Oh, we're going to get it. Watch this.
Defense ready in the goal line formation on this one.
I'm going to wait right before, right? Right at the end of the third quarter.
The play clock's running down. Didn't need, and he's in for the touchdown.
Yes, he is in.
Got to be able to take advantage of the quarterback sneak. If the defense doesn't line up properly, find the weak spot and go there to score.
The point after is
All right.
the kick. Scores 21-6.
21-6. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going.
He's got a chance to return this one. And he's tackled right at about the 28-yard line. 15 minutes to go. And we'll return after the next possession. Right, a receiver in the slot.
All right, defense. Let's just keep it up. One more quarter.
He'll take the snap, the first here in the fourth quarter. No one in sight has the grab.
Come on, guys.
Right around the 47. Simpson's lined up in the slot.
Thank goodness we have a decent lead.
Castle's back in shotgun formation.
Crush him. Yes.
And he's going to be brought down.
As a quarterback, when you get up, did somebody make a mistake, or did I make the mistake not seeing that guy coming?
Simpson's in the slot. Dropping back 3. Throwing now to his left.
Yes. Nice. He batted that down.
Defense has really done a good job here in this drive. They got this offense in a 3rd and long situation. Let's see if they can
Bring a little bit of pressure.
Rudolph's playing out of position in the backfield here. Castle's going to take it from the gun. Looking to the right side and throwing.
Chill. Good. Okay.
Jim, when you get in these situations, there's not much you can do. 3rd and long, not easy to pick up first downs in these type of situations.
I'll do this. We stop him. This could be the game. Could be the game if we stop him here.
Trying to work the middle.
Yes.
This is going to set up a
Pressure was on it. Pressure was there. It was there.
You're willing to go for it on fourth down, even though you're losing in the second half and you don't get it. You just got to deal with a little bit of adversity.
All right, let's get them to kill those timeouts.
Stop the other teams off.
We got to get a few first downs, though. We got to get some first downs.
Coming to the line, hoping to avoid
Got to get some first downs.
a third time.
What that run does, it just puts the offense in a good situation. So a good, positive run.
Offense lines up here. 2nd and 6. And he's brought to the ground.
Good, good,
job
good,
that time
good,
by the
good.
offense. Power run.
This is a good way to get first downs. On the ground.
Quarterback coming to the line, hoping to avoid being sacked for a.
There you go, 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 there you go.
A big chunk of yardage gained by DeMarco Murray.
Jim, the offensive coordinator's done a terrific
I think
job.
that might have done it.
He's got his team winning. We're in the red zone. Let's see how clever he's going to be on this call.
Big run. Big run. Let's see, where am I?
Here's the first snap after the big play. So 1st and goal to go. And the give now to DeMarco Murray.
Yes. He deserves to get this. Come on. You're going to get it again, bro. Punch that in. Punch that in, homie. Punch it in.
The defense is ready to plug up the middle here on the goal line. 2nd and goal from the 2. He's in for the touchdown.
Yes. No, that was
Well, you
homeboy.
got to lead to drive down the field to score a touchdown. Now we're going to find out if the other team can stay patient or will they panic.
The point after try is in the books.
Yeah, Randall. I know it. That was Randall. All right.
Cowboys will be kicking off.
28-6. All right, this is nice.
He will run this one back.
This is going to be a nice victory. Trust me.
And he runs it out.
Because we're winning this one, for sure.
7 before he's taken down.
Definitely got this one. Definitely got this one in the bag. Defense played really well, and the offense played really well. They really picked up too, man.
1st and 10. Makes the reception.
I know you won't believe this, but sometimes completing a short pass like that does give a quarterback confidence, so it does serve a purpose.
Simpson's a receiver in the slot. Tight ends in motion here.
I don't think. Yeah, no. Michael Vick didn't throw any. He didn't throw any interceptions. Damn, what a hit. Yeah, Michael Vick hasn't thrown any interceptions. Vick hasn't thrown one pick today.
Is in the backfield. The throw to the left. Should have had it.
Look to put it all in. With the gloves these receivers wear, the rules that you can't touch them, there's no excuse for dropping the football.
And yo, Minnesota's they're like 6-1.
2nd and 10. And he's forced to the ground. Snickers is the crown
Beautiful.
of this satisfying defensive replay.
Yeah, I like the defense we were just in. It's fine.
Satisfies. Castle standing back in the shotgun, ready for the snap. Reaches out and snatches it. The Vikings call.
They're gonna go for it.
Their first.
I don't see why y'all can't just. Oh, they're punting it. Yeah, might as well. Oh, shit. Wow.
Miserable place to start this next
time.
time.
Damn, is it? Thank goodness the game is over.
The quarterback is coming to the line, hoping to avoid being sacked for a third time.
Damn, he serious?
There to be made, but the offensive player doesn't get
Alright,
it done.
fuck this. I gotta.
First down.
I got to get up out of here.
Bryant's in the slot. 2nd and 11. Quarterback drops back. Play action. Swatted away.
Good job by
Wow,
the
that was risky.
receiver. He is all over him, and it makes it easy for him to swat down the throw by the QB.
There's no way Michael. There's no way for Michael Vick to go up out of here to run.
Action fake.
Gotta pass it. Damn.
No one's going to get him now. He's at the 50.
He's wide open.
The 30, the 20, the 10. No stop.
Wow.
Taking it all the way home.
We're back. Bust it on down, bust it on down, bust it on down, bust it on down.
That touchdown.
Break it on down.
Yeah, it sure will, Jim. It's been an exciting game all day.
What an ass whooping we put on a 6-1 team. So we'll be what, 5-4 now. He had a hell of a game.
The Vikings await the kickoff after giving up a devastating score for their side. The score's 35-6. He's got a chance to return this one. And he's going to be taken down at about the 33, maybe the 34-yard line. The Vikings come onto the field for their next series. Wright lined up now as a slot receiver. Castle's got it in the gun. Challenging the defenders to the right side.
What a job by the quarterback, finding a way to throw that football and pick up another first down. They are marching down the